Unraveling the Future, the Art of Making Projections. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that's widely used in both professional and everyday contexts: making projections. Whether you're discussing business, planning a project, or just talking about future possibilities, understanding this phrase will definitely enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started. Making projections refers to the process of estimating or predicting future events, trends, or outcomes based on current or historical data. It's like using the information you have now to make an educated guess about what will happen in the future. This is a common practice in fields such as business, finance, science, and even in our daily lives when we try to plan ahead. For example, a company might make sales projections for the next quarter, or you might make projections about how much money you'll need to save for a vacation. The key here is that projections are based on analysis and educated guesses, not just wild speculation. Making projections is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it helps organizations and individuals plan for the future. By estimating future outcomes, companies can make informed decisions about budgeting, staffing, and other resources. For individuals, making projections can help in setting personal goals and preparing for future expenses. Secondly, projections allow us to prepare for potential challenges and opportunities. By anticipating future trends, businesses and people can strategize on how to tackle obstacles or capitalize on upcoming opportunities. Lastly, making projections contributes to effective risk management. Understanding potential future scenarios enables businesses and individuals to mitigate risks by taking precautionary measures. Making accurate projections requires a mix of analytical skills, historical data, and an understanding of current trends. Here are a few steps to make more reliable projections. 1. Gather relevant data. Collect as much relevant historical and current data as possible. This could include financial reports, market research, or any other information pertinent to what you're projecting. 2. Analyze trends. Look for patterns or trends in the data. This can help you understand what might continue, increase, or decrease in the future. 3. Consider external factors. Take into account external elements that could affect your projections, such as economic conditions, technological advancements, or regulatory changes. 4. Use projection models. There are various models and tools available that can help in making more accurate projections. These might include statistical software or financial modeling tools. 5. Review and adjust. Remember, projections are not set in stone. As new data comes in or situations change, be prepared to review and adjust your projections accordingly. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of making projections and why it's such a valuable skill in both professional and personal contexts. Remember, while projections are not predictions with 100% certainty, they are essential tools for planning and decision-making. With practice and the right approach, you can improve your ability to make accurate projections, helping you navigate the future with more confidence. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful English language learning content. See you in the next video.